Everyone, and welcome back to my channel, Ride the Trend. Today is Monday. It's start of a new week, and it's 15th of September, 2025. Right now, it's 9:45 a.m., and now I'm going to start with the analysis of the pre-market. As you all know, I'm doing a 30 days challenge to show my account growth journey. I am using the instrument, which is Australia 200 index. And this is the chart I use every day for my 30 days growth challenge. Let's start with the pre-analysis of the market. If I go in 15 minutes, which is a 15-minute time frame, what I have observed and seen is on a very high level, the market has actually went down, if you could see this. And then the market went in consolidation, like between a phase where it goes sideways, it really does not make a clear trend. So this was for the 15 minutes. Now, if you look at here, this point, exactly this point, it has crossed this point. It has taken the highest liquidity of this area, and now it has moved down. After that, in 15 minutes, what it has done is it has made lower lows, low high. So this was the highest high, this is a lower high, this is again a lower high and a lower high with lower lows. So right now, the market looks bearish. So if I look at it, my overall bias for my direction would be highly sell for now. What it could actually do is if I go here on 15 minutes time frame, I see this green bars, it's liquidity. Below this, it's also liquidity. And also there's a higher chance if it crosses this level, it will probably be a sell and it will continue for the downtrend in the further coming days. But for now, let's see what the market does. It could also go up till this point where it could take liquidity from this area or from this and then continue back down. But we don't know what the market will do when it restarts. Let's look at 5-minute time frame. If I come here at 5 minutes, I again see that there has been just a liquidity below at this level. It could, after starting, as you all know, as you've all observed, that everyday Australia 200 usually starts with a gap up or a gap down. If it starts with a gap down, it might just fill up this gap and then continue down, or it could go up, hit somewhere, take liquidity from here, and then could continue down. But we will know only when the market starts. This is just a pre-analysis. I'm setting myself up from different setups and different conditions that could occur in the market so that I'm prepared for it once that happens. It's 9:49 a.m. and the market would actually start in 1 minute, and then we'll see how the market reacts and behaves. I'll just delete this. Entire layout. This is 5 minutes. I am actually going to observe how it happens over here. So I have increased it. Mhm. What I want is it's 9:50 a.m. and I have to see Where does the market start? Let's wait. So, uh, this is again 6:59 a.m. on a yeah, okay. So the market started with a gap up, as you could see. The market went up. It's 9:50. Let's see how does the market react. You see these green. This is volume. Whenever there is a huge volume, when I say huge, it means more than average. You could see these yellow small bars. These are average volume that happens normally. But whenever there is this green volume that shows up, it means that there is smart money, hedge funds, institutions, banks uh, entering into the market. And this sets um, the analysis that there is now smart money entering right now into this market, and there will be some changes. So as I said, the market started to go up. It would go up to take liquidity from these areas, and it would start to continue down. As per my analysis, which I thought the market is pretty much downwards today. And once it crossed this level 8780, it will actually be a sell. So let's see how does the market reacts right now. So it still went down, which is fine. Let's observe a bit more what it does. So we are here. Hmm, the market. Okay. So what did we see here? Over here, where there's purple, it means that it went down. It actually executed the trade of buyers and stop them out from the market. And basically, when I say executed their trade, it means that it stopped them out of the market with losses. And that is how, when they lost, the other people make money. So the market right now started with a gap. It covered this gap, it went down. It took liquidity from here. And then this is the area where it's going. So what I am going to do is I'm going to ride with the smart money. It's 9:54. Probably this is 806 to 16 over here. It's around 10 pips. this, went up, down. It was a huge sell, but then sellers and buyers both came into the market, and hence there was indecision as to which direction it will actually move towards. So it went down, it went up, it crossed this, it went down here, it again went up. (9:56 a.m.) and the market. Hmm, and it's a take profit. I will keep around this level. Confirm. The confluence that you guys that you could see is what I did was I looked for liquidity sweep, which is this, taking out buyers from the market, and then I look for a high trend at 1 minute. Based on that, I placed my trade that this is the next high until when it will probably go. So it's around 10 to 20 pips. That's where the market is going. But let's see. It's 9:59 a.m. If I look at it, this is probably the area with really good. If the market goes back down, which is the sell, I will close my it crossed this level. This is where again it took out buyers, and it will actually probably take me out as well. I'll close my trade. So it did not went high up till this level. This is the level from where it stopped, and it started to go down at exactly 10:01 a.m. So if I look at it, confirm with this is my maximum stop loss. Confirm. That is where my trade would go up to. Because that is where the next level of liquidity is sitting for me. In 02, probably a few minutes of trade. This is 5 minutes. I will move it to 15 minutes. Taking liquidity at this level, making slower, lower lows, slower lows. Mm. 10:08 a.m. So this trade is going to go for a bit long because it made lower, low, lower, low, lower, low. It might go up till here, take this liquidity and start to go down. Um, I'll wait for another few minutes to see how the market is reacting. So there's it would probably hit my stop loss and put me out of the market. by taking this high because there's a high chance it will do it. And I executed my trade in loss. It was 630 plus 500. So I executed the market with approximately $1,100 in loss today. Wasn't a very good day, but my learning was to wait for this kind of volume where I know the smart money enters and they make the move, which is around 10. So I should have probably wait till that time to execute the trade because it went down, it went up, took the liquidity from this area, and then it went and took liquidity from this area from both sides. So what it basically did was it stopped out all the buyers and all the sellers. And now it would actually go and make a proper direction. So now after taking this, it would go in this direction further down. So yeah, thank you all for watching. That was all for today. I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day and another challenge. Thank you.